Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix notification sounds not working after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS and after that you are facing a problem that notification sound is not working. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that your volume is up. So guys, after making sure that your volume is up, then you have to just simply drag down your control center and make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply disable the do not disturb mode and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that you have to just simply press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open settings and then scroll down and here tap on notifications, and from here you have to make sure that the all toggles should be allowed from here. So guys, after making sure that all toggle is allowed from here, you have to make sure that, and then you have to just simply go back and then you have to just simply tap on general, scroll down, here you can see this, tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset, and here tap on reset all settings, and after that enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.